Have you ever needed to translate a document quickly, but struggled to keep the original formatting intact? Or wish you could check the original text while reviewing the translation? With Chiao, it's easier than ever. First, simply upload your PDF. Whether it's in English, Spanish, or any of the many languages Chiao supports. Let's say you have an English PDF that you need in Chinese. Just upload it, and within moments, your translated document is ready. But here's what makes Chiao different. Unlike other tools that return messy, unformatted text, Chiao preserves your original layout. Plus, each translated paragraph is aligned with the original, so you can easily compare and ensure accuracy. And if something doesn't seem clear, just ask. Chiao lets you seek explanations on specific sections. Say goodbye to formatting chaos and translation guesswork. Hello to smooth, accurate, and adaptable document translation. Try Chiao today, where precision meets simplicity.